2023 Triumph Bonneville Bobber Chrome Limited Edition.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
From its muscular stance to its award-winning easy ride, the Bonneville Bobber was an instant hit. Stripped-back style, wire-spoked wheels, wide flat bars and that unmistakable hardtail look, this modern icon captured a loyal following. In perfect contrast to its blacked-out attitude and style, the new Bonneville Bobber Chrome Edition features an elegant chrome fuel tank, beautifully finished with a jet black overlay and delicately detailed Triumph triangle badges. Distinguished and distinctive, this monochrome makeover is complemented by jet black mudguards and side panels featuring the distinctive Bobber logo. A matching jet black short front mudguard is available as an accessory option, which also features in the dedicated Bonneville Bobber Chrome Edition accessory kit. With all the performance and capability of the latest generation, the Chrome Edition Bobber delivers the Bonneville twins' incredible 106 Nm of torque, while the torque assist clutch reduces less lever effort for smoother operation, making the Bobber an easy and comfortable bike to ride. Completing the Bobber's high-specification setup with a fat 16-inch front wheel and chunky 47mm Showa cartridge forks, which combine with the innovative, hidden monoshock RSU for solid handling with no compromise to comfort. The ABS-equipped twin Brembo front brakes ensure powerful, controlled braking.